Hi friends, my name is Pankaj Manik Chadha and today's date is 20th of August 2021. Our today's video topic is super keyword and this keyword in Java. So we will cover in today's video what is the super keyword, what is the this keyword and what are the uses with the example. So now let's start the topic. First we will see what is the super keyword. Super keyword is a reference variable which refers the immediate parent class instance object. So we will see what are the different uses of a super keyword. By using super keyword, we can refer the immediate parent class instance variable. The second uses of it, by using the super keyword, we can invoke the method of an immediate parent class. By using the super keyword, we can invoke the constructor of an immediate parent class. So we will see the example of this. First we will see by using super keyword refer the instance variable of an parent class. If there is a parent class, there is animal and there is the method of there is the string color is equals to the red. If there is the child class which extends to the parents class and there also the same as the parent class string color is equals to black. If we see out in the child class the color, and if you see out the super dot color, so we will get the output as the black in the parent class and the red in the child class. So we will get the two output. When we use the super keyword and super dot color keyword, so we will get the output of output of the string color of an parent class. So by using the super keyword, we can refer the instance variable of an parent class. So there is the another method by another uses. By using the super keyword, invoke the method of an parent class. So there is the parent class animal, and there is the another class dog which extends the parent class animal. So if there is the constructor, there is the parameterized constructor. If there is in the parameterized constructor, they passes the value of an barking, and there is the another constructor which is another method. There is the eating, and there is the same eating method which is present in the parent class. In this parent class method, there is the eating bread. So if by using there is the another work method. In their work method, we call the super keyword and the eating method, and after that the barking method. So when we make an object of this method and we call the print method of this, so there is the because of the super keyword, it invokes the method of an parent class eating of bread, and after that the sysout will be the second barking class barking method. The barking output will be there. So it is same for the constructor method. So now we will see the this keyword. This keyword is also the reference variable. There are the multiple uses of this keyword in the Java. By using the this keyword, we can refer to the instance variable of that class. So there are the uses of this. By using the this keyword, we can refer to the instance variable of that class. By using the this keyword, we can invoke the method of this class. By using this keyword, we can invoke the constructor of the class. By this keyword can be passed as the arguments to the method run. This keyword is the passes as the arguments to the constructor run. So this is all about the this keyword and the super keyword which we use into the Java language. So what are the different uses of the this keyword and the super keyword we will cover in our topic, and what are the differences between we will see in this our topic. So by using this keyword, we can refers to the instance variable of the class, and by using the super keyword, we can refers to the instance variable of the immediate parent class. This is the major difference between the. By using the super keyword, we can refers to the immediate parent class, and by using the this keyword, we can refers to the same class instance variable. So thank you for the today.